Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Toon Hermans, the Dutch comedian and singer. The correct pronunciation is Toon Hermans. Toon Hermans. There is a light emphasis on the first part of the second name. Toon Hermans. Toon Hermans. Toon Hermans. Toon Hermans is considered as one of the great three of Dutch cabaret, the other two being Wim Sonneveld and Wim Kam. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!